Okay, so it's it's play day. A little. Anyway, I'm done playing. I have to clean. So I gotta pee too. You wanna come? No. My mother's coming over. I need to do her hair. So I need to clean first because we need a clean sink, because we won't be able to wash her hair out if we don't have a clean sink. Which I really don't have that much. Look. It's only a couple pans, so it's not too bad. So I'm gonna set you up and go pee, and then we're gonna clean the kitchen and the living room. And yeah, we'll see what we do with Mom. Ooh, this hair. If I could make this hair just a little bit less big, I think I would be happier, but there is no way. I pulled this up so it's not as big, but I love the color though. So pretty. Before we start cleaning, I want to show you. A while back, there's actually a video. I got this tea. Okay, it's from Olivia Care tooth polish whitening powder, turmeric and charcoal. So I've been trying to make this a part of my routine, but I wonder if I could stick you right here without you falling. Yeah, that'll work. I think. Stay, don't fall. The dog. So I've been trying to make this a part of my routine because, as you guys know, I drink a lot of coffee and I smoke. I really do want to quit though. So I think I'm going to mix a little toothpaste. I don't usually do that. I'm going to mix a little bit of toothpaste on here, and then I dip it in here, which I probably shouldn't do that. Well, it's clean anyway because the only thing about this, it's really messy. So, we're going to brush our teeth. Yeah, let's go. What? I have to say, if I did this on a regular, it'll probably make my teeth whiter. Because I have a fake tooth in the front, I think it can only get as white as it was before. You see that? My head just shook. As it was before when I got it. Guys, I'm trying to deal with this the best way I can. I am going to get a second opinion, but I don't want to think about it. But it's hard, you know? A house cavity. It's gonna be the stupidest vlog ever. But who really cares, right? Yes, I did have. I have a missing tooth on here. that tooth came out. Little backstory. When I was pregnant with Tony, I was in Buffalo. I had no insurance at the time, and I was pregnant. And I mean, my tooth hurt so bad. And I guess when you're pregnant, you can't get Novocaine. Anyway, I was pregnant with Tony. I had the worst tooth pain ever, and I needed to get a filling or something, but they couldn't fill it. I don't know why they couldn't just fill it. The hell? I mean, I was 18 years old, a mouth full of good teeth, you know? They could have just filled it. They should have just filled it, because the hell. Anyway, they gave me something that was like Novocaine, but it wasn't. It totally wasn't. So they had to remove the tooth basically without Novocaine. I didn't have insurance, or I don't know what I had, but soon after that I did meet one of my friend's mothers. She worked for the insurance company in Buffalo, New York, and she hooked me up with the state insurance because I was stuck in Buffalo, and at that time I was 18 years old, so I qualified to get it on my own. But I was stuck in Buffalo and I was pregnant, so that's when I got on state insurance in Buffalo. But I wish I had that insurance before I had to get this tooth pulled out my freaking mouth. Anyway, I told you this is gonna be like the dumbest vlog ever, but we're gonna carry on. Okay. Oh my god, I just did a Snapchat and I had that charcoal stuff still on my freaking mouth right here. Go figure. All right. I worked out this morning. You guys saw. Ooh. I'm in one of those moods, guys. I'm heading towards my good week. Yes, honey. Yes. All right. Let's do these dishes. Like I said, I've been a good girl. I've been a good girl. I've been keeping up with them. Nobody wants to wash their hair in a dirty sink, right? was her real reaction. What? You don't like my hair?
No, it's nice. Yeah.
It's big.
Yeah.
Don't you want my hair?
Oh. Yeah, I do. I do want your hair.
Yeah. Well, you could have it too. I just had to get your reaction.
I should wear something home. Some kind of wig that you have home.
Not
And
this one. This one's stuck on my head right now, Susie.
No,
Stop.
but then.
Take it off.
No. See what God said.
Wait, which one do I have?
I don't know.
Oh, I have the 2 braids.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I have the remember the one with the 2 braids?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's the only other one I have. Get down, lady! And then I have the black one with the pink at the bottom.
Black?
Well, it's like, yeah, it's dark on top. Anyway, I gotta do mom's hair, so catch you later.
Oh, 5 feet.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, and then you get an idea. Yeah. It does do No, not if you got glasses on. No. I got my contacts on. Oh, okay. See that top right here? Yeah, it looks like your baby hairs. No, you can see little... No, I think. No, it looks like your baby hairs. Not my hair at all. But it's just too big. I wish it wasn't so big. I wish it was like a lioness. Yeah, I wish it was down. I wish it was like, I don't know, flatter like this. I like to feel that down. I finished watching Shameless. The last one. Maybe you've seen it already. Fiona goes off the deep end. She's with all her drinking and drugs. Again? Real bad. Oh, I didn't see it. So you didn't see it? Yep. So now this is 5G I'm putting in. Yep. But
Okay,
it's 6G.
so it's now, I got the clear, volume clear. Oh, this is watery. I don't like watery. Damn it, she got the wrong one. Anyway, my left, she's all done. And now Angie's coming home. And, you know, the day will start with the children's. I just look cross-eyed. Got my little babouche. Every time I wear this, I feel like my grandma. I remember my grandma back in the day used to wear these. She used to call it her babushka. My babushka. My babushki. I feel like I look like a boy. If I were a boy. I don't even know the words. Come on, baby. What am I gonna cook for dinner? I think I'm gonna cook this for dinner, guys. Oh, where'd it go? Yes. I'm going to cook this. Hamburger Philly cheesesteak. Yeah. I have some ground beef that I made like 2 days ago. And I put it in the fridge. So I'm gonna use that. And I'm going to use 2 of them. Oh my God! You guys are dying! Perfect timing. So, we'll wait for Angie. We'll say hi to Angie. And then, I'll see you on the next video. I guess this is, now she's excited because she just came in and saw I changed up the house, I guess. Is it cozy in here? Mima said it looked cozy. Yeah, I just did her hair. Yep. All right, guys, so until the next video, thanks for hanging with me. It was a day and it was mine. So I love you mucho, mucho. I'll catch you on the next one, on the next one. Catch you on the flip side, on the flip side. Catch you on the flip side, on the flip side. Catch you on the flip side.